What's up, guys? It's me, whatever the crap my channel name is. That's not actually my channel name. But okay, we uploaded a video before this called how to make microwave popcorn. No, yeah. Okay. Okay. Don't end the video. I will keep this rolling because we already lost one push because you missed it. Okay, so this is gonna be 10 ways to eat the popcorn that you just made. But first, you need to get out of the microwave. Yeah. Good. Real good. Okay. So here's your popcorn, but you know, Act 2, if you wanna sponsor us, which is this popcorn brand, you know, you can shove it down my 3 subscribers' throat, but you know, you haven't sponsored us yet, so but oh, let's cut back to eating the popcorn now. Okay, so is this not clean already? I wish I cleaned it off. Okay, keep on rolling, yay. So Mason, stop sexually molesting stuff. What are you doing? Okay, Mason, what are you doing? Take sunglasses. Okay, so always make sure to clean up your mess. So always make sure to clean up your mission. So yeah. No, you can't have none yet. You always want to make sure to clean up your mess. Don't show the TV, so we're gonna get copy stripped, okay? Do you want any of this popcorn?
Those are batteries.
So do you want any? Okay, now since we got our table cleaned off, you know, we need to get a seating area now. So, you know, I should have said this is what you should do before, you know, you eat popcorn. So yeah, this is what the video gonna be called. I'm gonna make another video by how to, 10 ways how to eat popcorn, you know, yeah. Like this video, wait, no. Every like and sub and, Mason? Every like and sub and how many people, Mason, I'm about to kill you. Okay, so every like and sub that y'all do, a pill shall get saved from me just hitting it against the floor. You don't. Okay, well, let's clean up. Okay. Freak. You couldn't move your freaking slides. What? This is America. There's 11 these dumb people. Okay. So, you know, got a little area cleaned up. Hey, no sitting on the job. Get up. I ain't paying you for nothing. I'm literally gonna kill you in your sleep this time. Okay, well, so, yeah, now since we cleaned everything up, you know, yeah, cleaning is caring. What's that from? Mason. I said stop sexually harassing the popcorn. Okay, so it's time to eat popcorn. This is gonna be 10 ways how to eat popcorn.
But that's it for today, because this is the only video that we're going to make right now.